forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hello students, today we are going to discuss types of matrices. Number 1, column matrix. A matrix is said to be column matrix if it has only one column. For example, let A is equal to A, B, C. There are 3 rows but only one column. So a matrix is said to be a column matrix if it has only one column. Some more examples. B is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 4 rows and 1 column. So these two are called column matrices. Second, row matrix. A matrix is said to be row matrix if it has only one row. For example, A is equal to 2, 3, 4. It has only one row. So this is called row matrix. Another example, A, B, C, D, E. Column may be unlimited but only one row. Such matrices are called row matrix. Square matrix. A matrix in which the number of rows are equal to the number of columns is said to be a square matrix. For example, let A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 3 rows and 3 columns. So this is 3 by 3 matrix. Number of rows equal to number of columns. Such matrix are called square matrix. Next, fourth, diagonal matrix. A square matrix is said to be diagonal matrix. So let us consider a square matrix. Let A is equal to A, 2, 3, 5, B, 6, 7, 8 and C. This is square matrix. Why? Because number of rows equal to number of columns. This is 3 by 3 square matrix. If all its non-diagonal elements other than the principal diagonal. In rectangle there are 2 diagonals, in a square there are 2 diagonals, but in matrix only one diagonal. Only one diagonal. From left to right and top to bottom. This is called principal diagonal. Whenever we speak diagonal matrix means this is principal diagonal, only one diagonal in matrix. If all its non-diagonal elements other than principal diagonal elements are 0. So example of principal diagonal matrix. A 0 0 0 B 0 0 0 C is called diagonal matrix. All its non-diagonal elements are 0. Fifth, scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix is said to be a scalar matrix if its diagonal elements are equal. B is a diagonal matrix, and if all diagonal elements are equal, then this is called scalar matrix. For example, let C is equal to K 0 0 0 K 0 0 0 K. All diagonal elements are equal. Next type, identity matrix. A diagonal matrix in which all the diagonal elements are 1 is called an identity matrix or unit matrix. It is denoted by I. For example, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Each and every element of principal diagonal is 1. Such matrix is called identity matrix. It is also denoted by I3 because this is 3 by 3 identity matrix. Similarly, 1 0 0 1. This is 2 by 2 identity matrix is denoted by I2. 7. Zero matrix. A matrix is said to be zero matrix or null matrix if all its elements are 0. It is denoted by big 0 or bold 0. And each and every element of this is 0. So many examples are there. This is 2 by 3 zero matrix. This is 3 by 3 zero matrix. So each and every element is 0. Operation on matrices. First, addition of matrices. Two matrices A and B can be added if the size of two matrices is same. To add two matrices, we just add their corresponding elements. For example, let A is equal to 2, 3, minus 4, 5, minus 6, 7, 2, minus 3, 5, and B is equal to 5, 4, 3, 6, 3, 2, 7, 2, 5. Then A plus B is equal to. First check size of both the matrices. This is 3 by 3 matrix and this is also 3 by 3 matrix. Means we can add. Up to add two matrices, we just add their corresponding elements. Means element of first one first column with element of first one first column of second matrix. Means 2 plus 5. So here we write 2 plus 5, 7. Here we write 3 plus 4, 7. Minus 4 plus 3, minus 1. 5 plus 6, 11. Minus 6 plus 3, minus 3. 7 plus 2, 9. 2 plus 7, 9. Minus 3 plus 2, minus 1. 5 plus 5, 10. Again this is 3 by 3 matrix. Next operation. Subtraction of matrices. Two matrices A and B can be subtracted if the size of the two matrices is same. To subtract matrices, we just subtract their corresponding elements. For example, let A is equal to 4, 5, 6, 3, 2, 5, 7, 3, 2, and B is equal to 3, 8, 5, 7, 3, 5, 9, 4, 2. Then A minus B is equal to. First check both the matrices are on the same shape. Yes, this is 3 by 3 and this is also 3 by 3. Number of rows 3 and number of columns 3. Similarly, number of rows 3 and number of columns 3. Up to subtract two matrices, we just subtract their corresponding elements. 4 minus 3, 1. 4 minus 3. 5 minus 8, minus 3. 6 minus 5, 1. 3 minus 7, minus 4. 2 minus 3, minus 1. 5 minus 5, 0. 7 minus 9, minus 2. 3 minus 4, minus 1. 2 minus 2, 0. So again we get 3 by 3 matrix. Next, multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. When a scalar is multiplied to a matrix, then we multiply it to every member of the matrix. For example, let A is equal to 2, 3, 1, 4, 3, 5, 6, 3 minus 2. This is 3 by 3 matrix. If you multiply a matrix by a scalar, means 5A is equal to, means multiply each element of matrix A by 5. So 5 into 2, 10. 5 into 3, 15. 5 into 1, 5. 5 4 ja 20. 5 3 ja 15. 5 5 ja 25. 5 6 ja 30. 5 3 ja 15. 5 2 ja 10 minus 10. Remarks. Let A and B be two matrices of size m into n. Then, number 1, A plus B is equal to B plus A. Means with respect to addition, matrices are commutative. Second, A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. With respect to addition, matrices are associative. Third, A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Means with respect to subtraction, matrices are not commutative. Fourth, any scalar into sum of two matrices can be expressed as any scalar into A plus any scalar into B. In next video, we will cover multiplication of matrices. Thank you. Have a nice day.